everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. So right now, Mark and I are having a brunch date and I'm so excited kasi we found out about this application that gives you discounts before you go eat at any restaurant. So, oh my gosh, we're actually gonna show you guys how it works. Kahapon lang ako nag-reserve for our brunch date today. So all you need to do is download the Eatigo app. Open natin here. Ito yung itsura ng app. Up to 50% discount. Sobrang bongga, di ba? And then, when you open it up, ang dami. You can see like trending, buffet, brunch, Japanese, cafes, and desserts. So, iba-ibang klase ng food if you are into Chinese. Lahat yan pwede mo makita. Perfect din for couples looking for mga dates. Yan, burger, quick bites. And then, ang pinili ko is BGC or Taguig kasi nga, we're around the area. So, click that. And then, Mark and I have tried a couple of different restaurants na. Pero syempre yung iba, hindi pa lahat syempre, diba? And then, I found this one, Applebee's BGC. We've never eaten here before. And this is an American cuisine restaurant, rated 4.6. So, yun yung maganda eh. Naka-rate yung each restaurant kung bongga ba sila or not. And then, on the tab, you will see that may mga different times. So, may 11 a.m., 11:30, 12, 12:30. And then, it will indicate kung ilang percent discount. So, at 11 a.m., naka-30. Pinakamataas siya. 30% discount. So, we're gonna go ahead and click that. As you can see, 1,812 recent reservations. So, madami nang kumuha. Let's click Applebee's at BGC. And then on this page, dito kayo magre-reserve lang. So, you input kung anong date, ilang tao. Dito ko nag-ano kagabi mahal. And then pick your time and discount. So, it depends kung anong gusto niyo. And then you will see the special conditions. We have the map going there. We have customer ratings. And then yung mga feedback. Sobrang important sa akin ng feedback kasi doon mo malalaman.
Doon mo talaga malalaman if okay yung service ng isang restaurant.
True. So when I booked kahapon, I picked the 11 a.m. So 30% off kami. And then you will get reservation details. Kailangan ilagay mo lang yung SMS mo or your mobile number. And then confirm reservation. And then once you have that, mabibigyan kayo ng reservation na form. And then you're reserved. Ganun lang kabilis. Super, super bilis lang. Ito pa yung isang sobrang exciting sa app na to. If you go here, sa tab na yan, click that. And then click Refer and Earn. So, meron na akong profile, diba? So, in this section, you can actually customize your code. Mga code, mga bonggang code. So, pinersonalize ko yung code ko. Nilagay ko is Yoko. And you can actually share this via your social media sites, Facebook, Twitter, kahit saan. And then, ang mangyayari, mahal, how it works. Kapag may gumamit mong code mo, kunwari ako, may code ako, diba? Ginamit mo. Ikaw, magkakaroon ka ng points. Pag may points na siya, you can check this out. Yung earn na tab. So, you will see kung ilang points na yung meron ka dyan. Diba? Available points. Zero pa lang ako kasi wala pa ako nagagamit na code. Pero once I earn a certain amount of points, you can actually get different kinds of stuff. Ito, tignan mo mahal ko. Ano yan? May Auntie Anne's. So, 150 Auntie Anne's e-gift. Basta super dami. Auntie Anne's, Coffee Bean,
Krispy Kreme, Ramenagi, Royce Chocolate, Flawless, Family Mart.
As in, hindi lang siya bongga. Bonggang-bongga siya. Kasi the more people who use your code, the more you earn points, and the person who uses the code earn points din. So, it's a win-win situation. So, I'll be putting my personalized code in the information box. So, go click that, and then all of you guys will get points. And then, at the same time, diba, you can also share your codes to other people para lahat tayo may points at lahat tayo makakasave ng bonggang-bongga. I love it. So again, we're here at Applebee's. So for my drinks, I ordered hot chocolate, and then si Mark in-order niya is iced coffee. our food adventure for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you guys enjoy Eatigo as much as we did. Thank you for watching. Bye!